Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are here on, as you can see up here, Canyon V. We're not going to be doing any actual map exploration in this video. We just have these three trucks to go through some of these obstacles here, and we might actually get up on that bridge right there. See where it takes us, but for the most part we will be staying here trying to get these trucks through these obstacles and see which one performs the best. These two that you can see, this one here and this one, are both new, and the Jeep Cherokee has been out for a bit. The way they are now is how they're going to stay, because if you look here, all of the garages are locked. So you'd have to come get this trailer, then take it over to a garage and get it unlocked. And that might be a new video. I don't know, I haven't decided if I want to make that a video yet or not. But, so we're going to start here with Nick's, what's he call it? Nick's K10 crawler. Flying down a little bit for you guys. It's really loud. Much better. Alright. I think the first thing we're gonna do is just this little... I don't think this thing has the greatest turning radius. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Alright, we're just gonna put it in probably low 2, start, just slowly go across them, watch the suspension work. You can really see it here in the back. I really like the detail that they put into the axle and everything down here. Alright, let's go ahead and do the logs, see how that goes. There will be 2 videos out this week for you guys to watch. This one you'll probably see Monday or Tuesday, and the other probably Thursday or Friday. Oh geez, look at that. Not bad. Not bad at all. Gonna crawl over these little platforms here. I think that's a jump. Like, we crawled right up that. Jeez. This thing is... nothing has stopped it. I'm pretty sure I've never had anything completely do this 100%. I feel like this really good. Ooh. Yeah. Normally I have trucks get their tires stuck. Nope. I just got the high centered, I think. There we go. Flex right up over that. Just kind of looking around here. There's not really much else we could do in this little off-road park. Not get my camera how I want it. There we go. Oh jeez. That was a lot bigger than I thought, but it didn't stop. Here we go. Yeah, Yeah, we didn't have enough speed to jump it. Are we gonna flip back over? Aw, we were close. I think that's a little racetrack here. It goes around. Well, we'll go get one of the others. Switch into 2015 Chevy. If you guys haven't seen yet, this truck actually has a camping trailer. What I would actually call a toy hauler. And the back end opens so you can actually put something else in there, which is really cool because that's the first kind of trailer we've seen like that in Spintires. Try and get this backed up so we can go down this. Just take all these trucks the same route to see. Not really testing which one's best because, I mean, I already know, but I'm just kind of showing you guys what these trucks can do. Not too bad, actually. I thought this truck had really stiff suspension, but it's not doing too bad on the little bumps here. Go up the logs now. Hey, you guys can see there with the back axle that it doesn't have too much flex. But if you're gonna use this for like the trailer, just the toy hauler, that'd be perfect. Get up over a few logs or rocks in the way. I don't know how this is gonna do going up this. Yeah, it's not able to get the front axle up over and put the power down. Yeah, it's just gonna slide. Oh wait. Yeah, we're gonna take the same route as the other truck, which is okay, but still got through it. That's the thing about Spintires, you gotta find the right line for the truck you're using. Uh-oh. Yeah, we're not getting out of that. See if we can get ourselves out of this, or if we'll have to come pull it with another truck. Oh, it's just gonna slide its way out. Yeah, it's not gonna do that, but let's see if we can get up this. Yeah, the front bumper, it's not sitting high enough to put itself over this kind of stuff. This truck's really meant more for hauling. Try and hit that jump with this real quick, and then go save the crawler. I'll put this in high. Oh. I mean, at least it got itself up over it. I thought we were about to roll this too. See if we can just push it over. I'm just gonna back this up out of the way here. And then switch over to Jeep Comanche. Now, if you guys haven't seen anything on this truck, it has a lot of options for it. Like, you can get a flatbed for it, the regular bed, has a ton of different tire options. But I like it. It's a really good truck. When it was first released, I wasn't so sure about it, but I took it out on, I don't remember what map it is now, but it was really good. It actually does have trailer options. and I believe it has a camping trailer with it. I'd have to check that out. See how the suspension does here for this. Not too bad. It's a lot stiffer than I would have thought, but we got through it pretty well. All three of the trucks, it just went right up this hill. Didn't even care. Whoa. Jeez. I was not wanting that stop here. I think I'm just gonna switch over to the crawler and follow this road around a little bit, see. Oh, I see this is actually a racetrack, or is it just a dirt road? Stick clear to the left. This is a nice little, I don't know if I'd call it racetrack, it's just something to take your truck out on. I want to hit that jump again. Put this little one here. See if we can clear the other. Oh jeez. I mean, well, we landed. I kind of went at that at an angle. I get first person too. We're not really first person, I hood cam. Alright. Oh yeah, nice. This is a truck that I would actually take on to like a actual racing map. It's not that fast, but it handles jumps really well as long as you don't go crooked on them. And it is actually slower and high, I think. Try this again in auto. See how it does. Oh. Let's see if we can flip it over there and land on our wheels again. I know we don't have much damage left, but it'd still be fun. Wow. We just hit the bump and it died. That's not what I was expecting. I was hoping to at least flip it and then land and it'd stall out. But I guess that's all this truck has in it for this episode. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one.